Hello guys, today we're gonna make
delicious pancakes!
This is the
So guys, they decided to do pancake, and yes, I'm going to leave entirely everything for them to make, but I will be here supervising them, checking how they go. Alright, so over to them.
So this is the pancake mix already. The butter we need, the pan, the bowl, the milk, and the
Mixer thingy.
yeah, mixer thingy. So first we're gonna cut this open. Scissors. Scissors. The pancake mix.
Jesse, be careful, I don't put too much.
Yeah. So you see this right here? This is everything combined. And just milk. I cut it quickly already. Fancy butter. Oh, really cut myself.
Everywhere. It's supposed to go everywhere. This is why we don't play with pans.
Kids, warning, don't try this at home.
Only with your parents.
Always have an adult with you.
Have a guardian.
Adult guardian, the exact same thing. Now, mix up.
I feel like it has to go everywhere. Oh, look. Mama needs oil.
The butter is the oil, Jess.
Wait, what?
Yeah, but that's busy.
Well, that's busy. We can play with slime.
Nope. We need a plate. This is gonna be a really thin one.
I'm gonna take that one.
No. Pancake. Pancake.
Delicious pancake.
So let me just check this.
It's the best pancake in the world.
Oh, that's way too soft, guys. Way too soft. Way too soft.
The first one was soft. The first second was soft.
Did it stick?
I don't think it's egg. Ooh.
Oh no!
Should we?
Oh no!
And the mixing and
They
stuff.
are really good though.
Now we got
But really, really hot.
because it's on the pan.
First, the pancake done.
That's for you, I guess.
Because it's sticking to the pan.
I can only see this. That looks similar. Oh, can. How cool,
No, but there's no way.
No way.
There's no way.
There's no.
There's no actual way. Let's go! Okay. Yeah, mama. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go.
We
Let's
did
go.
it. Bad boy.
You mean bad boy?
He's your bad boy.
What?
Ooh. Yummy. Oh, it's almost time to take it away.
Mama, we made one perfect pancake.
Because all the other ones broke.
Yeah.
So we ate it.
The other ones broke, so we ate it. And this is our first ever perfect pancake.
It kind of not it because I ate the thingy over here. Mommy.
Everyone, my mom's gonna take over, so...
No, you guys will finish it.
Damn it!
You guys are going to finish it.
You see? See how good that looks?
Mommy.
Jenny!
Mommy's my hero.
I am my own hero.
Uh-huh.
Look at it.
But Mommy.
Come here, come here.
There's too much butter, I think.
It's too much butter.
How? This took us 2 tries until we got a perfect one. Look at this. This is why she always follow your mum around. She's learning me how to make pancakes with one hand.
Flip it.
I did it. I got it.
You don't need to. You can. Jason. Yeah.
Slide down.
No. Yeah. So guys, they've done the pancakes. They finished it up. Everyone was in a mess. Okay, so what we had there was strawberry and raspberry. My son loves raspberry a lot, while the girl likes strawberry, so I just mixed them. And yeah, he is the one serving it. Since it's what they want, let him just finish up everything. So he put for the little one, put for the two little sisters, okay, her younger sisters. After then, he now go ahead and take his own. So he's a perfect young man, perfect gentleman. He serves the ladies first.
This looks the best. Oh, had to.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching us. I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.